What's up, everybody? Akira, as you can see, just got off work. Anyways, just wanted to do a quick vlog real quick. Pretty much, we're gonna do a little upgrade. Of course, I'm not gonna actually record me installing it because I'm a noob and I'm gonna have to read the instructions, so this is not an install video. But pretty much, we got a thermal intake, gold, 750 watts. I currently have in my computer a Ivia 600 bronze, so I definitely need to upgrade that. And then we're going to install this Ivia GeForce 980 Ti for the Wind Edition with the back plate. That's pretty awesome, because right now I have an MSI. It's on 970, so I'm definitely gonna upgrade that. So yeah, I'll let you know what's going on. Also wanted to let you know and apologize not for updating videos or streaming that much, because I don't know if you saw my last vlog, but I just moved in. So now that I'm all like good and situated and stuff, and I'm about to upgrade, definitely gonna come out with a better stream quality and better video quality. So thought y'all know that. Once again, I'm not gonna video record since I'm on my phone, obviously, and I obviously can't use my computer because it's right there. I was just apologizing, and now that I got all this good equipment going on, I'm gonna start streaming and putting more videos out just like I did back in the old days. So yeah, keep in mind and keep in touch, and come check out the stream because it's gonna get hella good now. Anyways, see y'all later. Peace.